Now that you've learned a little bit more about lesson planning and have explored the lesson planning part of the PLC, I would like you to watch a full video of a lesson at the level that you will be teaching. So once again, I need you to log into the PLC and go to that Prevention Early Intervention tab. You're going to go to Demo Videos again. And you're going to click on your level. Again, I'm going to use level 3 as an example. You'll see all the different video options again. Click on the full lesson demonstration videos. You will see there's 2 videos. I would suggest that you watch the first video, as that is a video earlier on in the school year. Later in the school year, as you are getting more comfortable with Fundations, you may want to watch a video with more advanced skills. But for this purpose, it would be great for you to click on and watch that first video under the level that you will be teaching. Once you have completed that, complete the activity on Canvas. Enjoy!